You're dead. You just don't know it yet. Right now, your kitchen is armed and waiting. That stove, that bottle of cooking oil, they're going to try to kill you. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Last month in Chicago, a mother of two burned alive making dinner. Normal Thursday evening. She'd cooked in that kitchen 1,000 times. But that night, in 90 seconds, she was dead. Her husband found her on the floor, skin melted, still conscious, begging him to save her. She died in the ambulance. Want to know what killed her? The same instinct that's going to kill you if you don't pay attention right now. So here's my question. When your kitchen explodes into flames, will you survive, or will you die like she did? Keep watching, because I'm about to show you exactly how it feels to burn alive. Close your eyes. Picture this. You're frying chicken. The oil is bubbling. Your phone rings. You pick it up. 20 seconds pass. You look back at the stove. The pan is smoking. Heavy, dark smoke. Before you can move, the oil ignites. Flames shoot 3 feet into the air, hitting your cabinets, spreading across the ceiling. The heat slams into your face. Your heart explodes in your chest. You can't breathe. You can't think. This is it. You have 40 seconds before this fire becomes unstoppable. 40 seconds before you're either alive or dead. And your brain is about to make you do something that will kill you. Because there are 3 things people do in this moment. 3 instincts that feel natural. 3 choices that seem right. And every single one of them is fatal. I'm going to show you how you die. 3 different ways. Then I'll show you the one way to survive. Pay attention, because this isn't a joke. This is your life. Flames everywhere. You panic. Water. Obviously water. Fire needs water. You grab the glass on the counter. You throw it on the burning pan. You just created a bomb. The water hits oil that's currently 650 degrees. It doesn't just boil. It explodes. Water expands 1,700 times when it turns to steam. In a fraction of a second, that explosion launches burning oil in every direction at high speed. Droplets of burning oil hit your face, your eyes, your mouth, your arms. Each droplet is hotter than your oven at maximum temperature. You're on fire now. Not the kitchen. You. Your clothes ignite. If you're wearing polyester or nylon, it doesn't burn, it melts. Melted plastic fusing into your skin while it's still burning. You scream. Burning oil enters your mouth, your throat. Your lungs are cooking from the inside. The pain is beyond anything you've ever imagined. You can't see. The oil blinded you. You try to run, but you don't know which direction. You slam into the counter. You fall. You're still on fire. The explosion spread burning oil everywhere. Your counters are on fire. Your floor, your walls, the curtains explode into flames. Within 30 seconds, your entire kitchen is 800 degrees. The paint is bubbling and igniting. Here's what the hospitals don't tell you. When you have third-degree burns over 40% of your body, you have a 50-50 chance of surviving. You just burned 60% of your body. Your face is destroyed. Your lungs are ruined. Even if paramedics arrive right now, you have maybe a 20% chance of living through the night. If you survive, 6 months in a burn unit, 50 surgeries, skin grafts from whatever parts of your body aren't charred, permanent blindness, no fingers, your face unrecognizable, every mirror a nightmare, every breath a reminder of the day you threw water on burning oil. But most people don't survive. In the US last year, 47 people died exactly this way. Threw water on an oil fire, dead in under 2 minutes. One was a firefighter, another was a chemistry teacher. Intelligence doesn't save you. When panic hits, your brain just acts. And sometimes that kills you. Reset. You didn't throw water. Good, but the fire is still there, growing. Every instinct screams at you to run. Get away. So you do. You bolt out of the kitchen. You're safe now, right? You pull out your phone. Call 911. You did everything right. Wrong. You just killed yourself. You just don't know it yet. The stove is still on. Full power. The fire in the pan grows hotter. Flames reach the cabinets. Wood ignites. The fire spreads to the ceiling. In 90 seconds, your kitchen hits 700 degrees. At this temperature, flashover occurs. Every surface in the room simultaneously ignites. Walls, floor, ceiling, everything, in one explosive moment. You're on the phone with 911, giving your address, staying calm. The operator says help is coming. The call lasts 2 minutes. In those 2 minutes, the fire spread through 3 rooms. The heat radiating through walls is igniting furniture without even touching it. Your living room couch bursts into flames. Then there's the smoke. Thick, black, toxic, filled with carbon monoxide and cyanide gas. It's pouring through every doorway. You notice it. You think you should get outside now. You head for the front door. But the smoke is everywhere. You can't see, can't breathe. Your eyes burn. Your throat closes. You drop to the floor. The air is clearer down here. You start crawling toward the exit. But carbon monoxide is already in your blood, replacing oxygen. Your brain isn't getting what it needs. You're dizzy, confused. You can't remember which way the door is. You think you're crawling toward safety, but you're actually crawling deeper into the house. You collapse, still conscious but paralyzed. Your muscles won't respond. Your vision goes dark. The temperature is rising. The fire is spreading to your room. You can hear glass shattering. You can feel the heat, but you can't move. Firefighters find you later. 3 meters from the front door. 3 meters. They try to revive you, but you've been without oxygen for 6 minutes. Your brain is dead. Your heart might start again, but you're not coming back. Your family decides to pull the plug 2 days later. 4 minutes. That's how long from when you left the kitchen to when you lost consciousness. The fire department arrived 7 minutes after your call. Too late. All because you ran instead of taking 10 seconds to turn off the stove. One more time. Fire starts. You don't throw water. You don't run. You're going to handle this. You'll move the pan outside, away from everything. Smart, right? You grab a towel, wrap it around the handle, lift the pan. It's heavy. 3 kilograms of burning liquid. The handle is scorching hot. Heat seeps through the towel into your palm. You take 1 step. The pain hits. Your hand jerks. Just a reflex. The pan tilts 5 degrees. Burning oil pours over the edge, onto your arm, your wrist, your hand. The pain is unimaginable. Like a hot iron pressed into your skin, except the iron is liquid, and it sticks, and it keeps burning deeper. You scream. You drop the pan. Can't help it. 3 liters of burning oil spills across your floor. It spreads fast. Flows into every crack. Your shoes are soaked. Your pants. The oil burns through fabric instantly. You try to move, but burning oil is slippery, like ice. You can't get traction. You slip. You fall. Your hands hit burning oil. Both palms. Full contact. 3rd-degree burns instantly. You're lying in fire. Your clothes are melting into your skin. You try to push yourself up, but the pain in your hands is too extreme. Every time you put pressure down, you scream. You're trapped, on fire, in a pool of burning oil. Even best-case scenario, you're looking at 50% body coverage. Both hands, both arms, both legs, your torso, critical burns. They'll put you in a coma because the pain is too much for humans to stay conscious through. Survival rate, maybe 60% if you reach a burn unit within an hour. But survival doesn't mean recovery. Your hands are ruined. You might lose fingers. You'll definitely lose function. Simple things like holding a fork or opening a door might be impossible forever. Walking might require assistance for life. All because you tried to move the pan. Because you didn't understand that burning oil isn't a solid object. It's a liquid explosive. Any movement causes spillage. Any spillage can be catastrophic. So what works? Everything kills you, right? Wrong. There's one way. And it's so simple, you'll think I'm lying. But it works. Every time. And the only reason people die is because they never learnt it. Fire starts. Flames shoot up. Your heart races. But you don't panic. You move toward the stove. Not away. Toward it. Every instinct says run. Ignore them. Move closer. Right next to your stove is a metal lid. Always there. Ready. You grab it with a dry oven mitt. Also right there. You slide the lid over the pan from the side. Not from above. Horizontally. If there's a flare, flames go away from your face, not into it. You slide that lid on. Completely cover the pan. The moment you do, you win. No oxygen equals no fire. The flames continue for seconds under the lid. Normal. Don't check. Don't lift it. That lets oxygen back in. Turn off the stove. Reach from the side. Turn it off. Heat source gone. Fire has no oxygen. It dies in 30 seconds. But here's the discipline part. You want to check. Don't. That oil is still at ignition temperature. You lift that lid early. It reignites. Everything starts over, except now you're panicked. Wait 30 minutes. I know it feels like forever. Set a timer. Walk away. Open a window. But don't touch that lid for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, check carefully. Slide the lid slightly. Just a crack. Wait 10 seconds. No flames. Good. Slide more. Still nothing. Remove it completely. Fire is out. Oil is cool. You're unharmed. Kitchen might have smoke damage, some soot, but nothing serious. Nothing that can't be cleaned. No ambulance. No fire department. You handled it. 90 seconds of action. 30 minutes of waiting. Compare that to the alternatives. Dead in 2 minutes from water. House burned from running. Severe burns from moving the pan. What made the difference? Preparation. You had a lid ready, an oven mitt ready. You knew what to do. No thinking required. No decisions while panicking. Just execution. No lid. Use baking soda. Not flour. Not sugar. Baking soda. It releases carbon dioxide, smothers flames. Pour the whole box on from the side. Fire goes out if it's small. Turn off heat. Let it cool. Fire spread to walls. Fire extinguisher. Class B for flammable liquids. Red label. Near kitchen exit. Pull pin. Aim at base of fire. Squeeze trigger. Sweep side to side. Stay between fire and exit. Always have escape route. Fire out of control. Smoke thick and black. Heat intense across the room. Can't breathe. Get out. Now. Don't save anything. Don't grab your phone. Close the door behind you. Get everyone out. Call from outside. Your life is worth more than anything in that house. Know when to fight. Know when to run. That difference is life or death. Preparation beats reaction. Every time. Survivors aren't lucky. They're prepared. Right now, go to your kitchen. Is there a metal lid within arm's reach of your stove? An oven mitt right there. Fire extinguisher on the wall. Baking soda you can reach in 2 seconds. If any answer is no, you're not prepared. Fire starts tomorrow. You panic. You die. It's that simple. Buy a metal lid today, not tomorrow. Today. Keep it next to your stove. Buy an oven mitt. Keep it right there. Buy a fire extinguisher. Mount it. Check expiration yearly. Buy baking soda. Know where it is. Practice covering a pan. Cold pan first. Get the motion down. Slide from the side. Cover completely. Do it until it's muscle memory. Because when real flames shoot up, you won't have time to figure it out. Test smoke detectors. When's the last time? Press the test button. Replace batteries. Make an escape plan. 2 ways out of every room. Meeting point outside. Practice it. You've spent 10 minutes on this video. You know how people die. You know how to survive. But knowledge without action is worthless. Will you prepare? Will you buy that extinguisher this week? Or will you scroll away and forget? The woman in Chicago, who died last month, probably watched videos like this. Probably knew fire safety, but she didn't prepare. No lid ready. Didn't practice. When the moment came, she panicked. She burned to death in her own kitchen. Don't be her. Don't let your family identify your body. Don't let your kids grow up without you, because you couldn't spend $50 on safety equipment. This is do or die, not hypothetical. Right now, today, you prepare or you don't. You take this seriously or you don't. That choice determines if you live or die. Fire doesn't care if you're ready. It doesn't give second chances. When it starts, you have 60 seconds. Execute perfectly or die. Will you be ready? Comment if you're preparing this week. Share this with someone you care about. Subscribe for the next survival scenario. Something that could happen to anyone. Something you need to know. Stay alive. Dead people don't get second chances.